This is the noob, and this video is just going to be on getting RCBasic set up and writing our first program. So let's go to rcbasic.com, go to downloads, and you're going to select Linux, Windows, or Mac depending on what system you're on. I'm on Windows right now, so I already have the Windows version downloaded. I will make a separate video on how to set up for Mac and Linux at a later point. Once you download it, you will have this zip file. Just extract it and go into this folder, and you will have a start editor batch file. Just click on that, and it will start up Genie with RCBasic already pre-configured for it. And we're just going to create we already have a file. To be able to write RCBasic programs, we have to save it as a .bas file. So I have a folder on the desktop for tutorials, and I am just going to save this as tutorial.bas. And just to have a separate file for each one, we'll save this as lesson1 BAS. And now we are ready to write our first RCBasic program, and we are just going to output hello world to the screen. So print open quotation marks and hello world. And in Genie, you can go up to the menu and click compile to compile it and execute to run it, or you can just hit F8 and F5. For the sake of speed, it's better just to do F8 and F5. So we'll do F8 to compile. Down here we should see RCBasic binary program compiled successfully. And once we see that, we can hit F5 to run it. And we have hello world. If you've made it to that point, we'll see you in the next video.